So elements is used to describe, element is what describe to your browser every item in your page, like the link, the what is supposed to be a link, what is supposed to be image, what is supposed to be a big text. We talked about this in a previous lecture. So um most of the elements we have is the one of the popular element we have is the h1. The h1 is used to write title of a particular page. For example, when you go we have the h1 to h6. This h series I just used to write heading, mostly heading. So we have the h1, we have the h2. So I'm going to duplicate this. So as the number increases, the text decreases. The size of the text, as the number increases, the size of the text decreases. So I'm going to output this. So now I've already opened this through this part. I don't need to go through this process any longer. So all I just need to do, the page is already running in my browser. So all I just need to do is go to the browser, and then refresh. Then everything will appear there. So you see, this is our h1, h2, h3, h4 down to 6. And you see, as the number increases, the size of the text decreases. So now for you to write regular text or regular sentences, we use the p tag, which stands for paragraph. So refresh. Sorry, you see, it appears just like a regular text. So there is this command we use in writing we use in generating random text, so that probably after you are done creating your project, you can go back and edit it and put your own text in it. So the command is lorem. So like I said, it's just used to generate text, random text. The texts are all in Latin. So after, you can come back and create your own. So after write the lorem in small letter, then immediately, no space, just put the right after I just put the number of what you want it to generate for you. So I'm just going to say 150. So click here, or just click on enter. So it will generate. I'm going to put my cursor here and break the text. So I'll go to my browser and I will refresh. There you go. There you go. So I think I need to put this side by side with each other. So I'm going to minimize this. So now, I don't know if you noticed something. So I'm going to put my cursor here. I'm going to break this. If you notice something, and I'm going to come here and I'll refresh. If you notice something, no change. There's no change. But I just broke this from this part. You find out that the changes that you make here do not show in your browser. So the reason why is that the browser does not see white space. Whatever white space you create inside of your text editor is not going to be visible inside of your web browser. So but if you want your text to break just like in this uniform way, all you just need to do is you have to apply this element, the br tag. So the br stands for break. So when you put the break, it's going to break, and I refresh. So it has already broken this one from this part. So if I want, I can still put that. I'm going to repeat that here, BR. I'm going to repeat it again. Oops. Again. So when I refresh, this is it. So another, if you notice something about the BR element, is that it does not have a closing tag like other elements. So the BR is just one of those elements that doesn't have a closing tag. So there are other elements that does not have a closing tag. One of them again is a HR, the horizontal row. So the horizontal row is just used to put line. So it's just to put a horizontal line across your page. Use to create. So this, when I refresh, you see that horizontal line across your page. So another element we have is the pre tag. The pre tag is just like your p tag. So when we talked about the p tag, we talked about it, we said the browser does not see white space. So when we break the text, you find out that there was no reflection in your browser. But with the pre tag, your browser is going to see every space made inside of the pre tag. So let's use the lorem again. So lorem 100 to generate text. So enter. I'm going to break it here. So refresh. So this is it. So the pre tag is mostly used for writing things like poem and things that probably anything concerning poem, literature, or any stuff like that. So if I put space, I don't really need to put the break. You find out that or every space I put here is going to be visible in my browser. So I think that is it for our elements. So when we come back to the next, when we get to the next episode, we'll talk about attributes. So see you in the next episode.